Hi guys, you are watching Say Barista NY. Today I am making Popeyes inspired strawberry biscuits. First of all, take a bowl. Add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 1 teaspoon baking powder. Add half teaspoon baking soda. Add half teaspoon salt. Add 4 tablespoons sugar. Add 1 cup of chopped strawberries. Mix it gently. Grate 100 grams of frozen butter in mixture. Mix it gently. Add half cup of buttermilk. Mix it well. Gradually add more buttermilk until you get this consistency. You can see batter consistency here. Spread flour on cutting board. Pour the batter on cutting board and start folding. Keenly watch these steps to know how folding should be done. Fold it for at least 4 to 5 times. Cut it into 4 equal-sized loaves. Now stack all these loaves. Do the folding again. Again, cut into 4 loaves and repeat the procedure 4 to 5 times. Here you can see the layers in dough. Dough is ready for making biscuits. Use round cutter to stamp out biscuits. Keep 1 inch width of your biscuits dough. Grease the pan with butter. Arrange biscuits in pan. Brush the biscuits with egg white. Preheat the oven at 150 degrees for 35 minutes. Put your baking tray in oven. Bake them for 25 minutes at 250 degrees. I changed my baking tray because I have to bake more biscuits at once. To make the glaze, take 1 cup of icing sugar. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Add 2 tablespoons milk. Blend it for 5 minutes with hand blender. You can see the consistency of glaze. Biscuits are ready. Glaze the biscuits. Enjoy it with your cup of coffee.